I'm Joseph Patrick, co-founder of Lamont Brothers. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process we use to help our clients mitigate risk and ensure they have a successful project when they're looking to finance it with a construction loan. A construction loan is a loan that the bank's going to give you based on the future value of your home after your remodeling project is complete, assuming your remodeling project adds a significant amount of value to your home. Then, at the end of the construction loan, normally you have the opportunity to just convert that into a 15 or 30-year mortgage. Step one is loan pre-qualification. You'll meet with the banker, go over some details about your income and your credit score and the project and your home, and make sure you're pre-qualified for the loan that you think you want with the anticipated value of the remodeling project. At this point, the banker is mostly looking at your income and credit score to make sure that the bank can pre-qualify you. He's not really looking at the type of project or your home value or whether the project itself is feasible. Next is to move ahead with a feasibility study with your design build firm to make sure the project is feasible. And this is the first point where you're going to need to invest money into this whole process. You're going to typically need to spend a small design retainer with the design build firm. For us, with projects, that can range anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 based on the type of project and what's needed to get you to the next step. What's included in a feasibility study is really making sure there's no major obstacles in the way of you completing this project and putting together all the documents that the bank needs to evaluate the project from their perspective. So this includes floor plans, this includes interior and exterior renderings, this includes a preliminary selections materials package, all of the documents the bank's going to need to determine what the home is going to be worth at the end of the project. Next, we're going to take all those documents we put together, sign a preliminary construction contract, and send that over to the bank so that they can order an appraisal. The appraiser is going to come out, evaluate the drawings, the selection packages, your current home, and give us a future value for the home if all of the construction is done. That way the bank is confident moving forward that they have very little risk in giving you the money for this loan. The project's going to be worth what we all agree that it's going to be worth at the end. Now, there is another monetary commitment here. You're going to have to pay for the appraisal. Those fluctuate in cost, but the bank can give you a pretty good estimate for what that is. Next, we move into the engineering and architectural design part of the process. Here, we bring the engineer in, we do the structural calculations, the structural drawings, the architectural drawings, and really detail out the interior design as well. The goal here is to take it from those concept drawings all the way to where everything is detailed out to the last piece of tile that goes into the project, and you end up with a fixed price construction contract at the end of that process. Now, your design build company is likely going to need another design retainer at this point. For us, that generally is about 2 to 5% of the total cost of the project, depending on the project scope. Next, we'll take those drawings and submit them to the local jurisdiction for a permit process so that you can get a building permit to build your project. We'll walk through the process with the jurisdiction, answering any questions, making any revisions needed on drawings, and you'll pay the intake fees in order to get that process started. Then, once we have a building permit, we can close the loan, the bank can disperse the funds, and we can get started with your project. Thanks for watching this video. I've walked you through the process that we use here at Lamont Brothers to ensure that our clients have the highest level of success as they work through the renovation loan process. If you want to know who I consider the Portland metro area's top construction lenders and particular agents that you should work with, go ahead and head over to our website, sign up for the Home Remodeling Toolkit, and I'll send you several helpful videos along with a list of who I think you should work with for a construction loan. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more info like this. Thanks.